Yeah, man. Introducing a new style. Bomba kill the vibe.
Dice Raw. I'm sitting here in the Highland Ballroom. You know, it's the Loose Jam session, the album called tomorrow. You know, representing, you know, the Dry Eye crew, you know, from Sierra Leone. You know, it was a great show tonight. Both bands that they played, you know what I'm saying?
Just rap your one, show them the new pattern.
Say, baby girl, I like the way your body go. I like the way you dancing to my flow. The way that you juggle and wiggle, you middle. Baby girl, you make a no one go. I like the way your body go. I like the way you bump into my flow. The way that you juggle and wiggle, you middle. Baby girl, you make a no one go.
I like the energy, I like the message, I like the difference, you know, in their music that's more, just like so different from mainstream music from what I'm used to just hearing and used to dealing with it on a whole, you know what I mean? It's just something exciting.
No man can stop we are long as we are in the right way. Give me the don't put them.
Dance when I play raps, switch sharp bands, drop like a flip.
It's real shit.
Clap, clap, clap. Don't you ever try to come and dance my flow. I'm like a new